Good morning, children. Today we are going to take one new lesson, that is the word, lesson number 6. The word, if we read this, you will understand what it is, where we are, and what is the place. Yes, it is school. My school. We feel very proud, isn't it? Even we grow old, still then also we remember our teachers who taught us the first writing, first letters of writing. We do understand, we do learn over there, and where we enjoy the learning, isn't it? We learn new things. The learning begins from home and then in the school. Isn't it? We learn in the school. We start going from the LKG, from the age of 3.5 years, 4 years, we go to school. First, we learn over there how to write the letter with our own hand, isn't it? With a small hand. Then you grow old and you learn more and more things, where we all get together, sit here and learn many things, many more things we learn. We learn to speak, we learn to write, we learn to read, and do the project works and all. Many things we learn. We learn the extracurricular activities also, that is drawing, and the technical learnings are also there, computer science and all. Many more things we learn here, because this is the school means a temple of learning. Temple of learning. We find many friends also, different age groups, and the different people also, their thoughts. We share our thoughts with each other. We share our many things with each other. We make friendship with them, and we share our thoughts and things with them. Isn't it? My best friend. These things we start sharing here. This is the beginning of the place where beginners learn many things. So this is the place. My school. Even when I learned in my school, still I remember my teachers, how they taught me, and still, isn't it? So this is the place. We learn good manners in school and at home. Good manners means what? You have to get up early, get ready for the school, wear uniforms, neat, clean, washed clothes you have to wear, and come with full uniform. Uniform is the one which is, there is no difference between the any children. So, oh, she has wore the new clothes, nice dress, and see, her dress is old, not good. It's not like that. Uniform is one. All are equal. There is no difference between the children. So that is why uniform is must. Then coming here, we learn many things. Good manners and all. Isn't it? Whatever your teachers, she says, you learn with interest. Isn't it? With your friends also, you learn many things. That's why. And with concentration, when the teacher is telling, when the teacher is explaining you the lesson, you concentrate and listen to her, whatever she says. She explains the lesson to you with whole this thing. So while reading also you are concentrating, while telling the lesson also you are concentrating. Each word, wherever you are not able to understand, she calls you and make you to learn, make you to understand in a easy way, in a easy words. So that is why this is the school where we have to go and learn. At home we cannot. We learn the manners at home, but many more things, means the lessons which the teacher tells, and at home also it is little bit different. Anyway, your parents are also explaining you, that is good, you have to listen to them, but the teacher, when she is explaining you, so always you are concentrating to her. Now we should follow we should follow what our teacher says and learn new thing from them. This knowledge help us to become great people, isn't it? Great people means the big politicians are there, presidents are there, prime ministers are there. They all first they went to school and learn, read and write. Big doctors are there, advocates are there, where directly they cannot become a doctors or advocates or nurses or any helpers. First they go to the school, learn to read and write. Then only they will become a good people, good citizens of this country. Isn't it? And you also, sometimes you also, when you become a teacher, you also teach to other children, isn't it? To literate them. This is the place. You all have to listen to the teacher, whatever she says. Then many more activities. Activities means like in a big ground. You all play. The matches will be held. Competitions are held. Drawing competitions are also held. These are the extracurricular activities. Sometimes dramas also held. We do conduct dramas and all. In that also you participate. That is an art. That is an art where you learn. So these are the all activities you learn in school. Now I do a picture of a school. In the school we have the classrooms. You can see here school. The classrooms are here. Here also some classrooms are there. You can see the school bus is there. Nowadays the people who are coming from far away distance, how they will come, because nobody will be there to drop them. So our school help them to pick up from the house, from their residence and till the school. School buses are also nowadays available. Isn't it? You all are coming in the school bus and going home by school bus only. Some children's parents, they come and pick up and drop. Both the things are there. So school bus is there. Here surroundings also should be good around our school, because we have good plants or trees also here. That's why you can see we learn good manners in school and at home. Okay, after entering into the school, what do you have? What will you have? You will find the classroom. Inside the classroom, one big blackboard and the benches, few benches, and teacher is standing and teaching lesson to the children. And suppose if you are not able to understand, then she will make the projects. Means she will show the pictures also, many more things related to the lesson. Classroom, we have big classroom. Our teacher teaches us in the classroom. Teacher writes on the blackboard. Now how I drew on the blackboard. So this is the blackboard where we use to write all the question answers, grammatical part, drawing the diagrams and explaining and all. I have chalk piece also in my hand to use it. I have one pencil also to write it on the notebook. So, and the rubber eraser also we have. One duster also. These are the materials. One duster also I have in my hand, and one textbook also I have in my hand. So these are the materials what we use in the school. We enjoy learning with our classmates. We enjoy learning with our classmates. We should not fight with our classmates. Isn't it? No differentiate should be there. Sometimes you do fight with your classmates, but it should not be. We all one. We make friendship with each other. Isn't it? We learn and play with our friends. We also share things with our friends. Nowadays we are missing these things, isn't it? In the classroom. Even children, I too miss you a lot. Simply I am standing in front of you and talking as if I am talking to you. It is, but still I miss you a lot. Sometime after few days we definitely will meet here in the classroom and we can share many more things. Okay. We also share things with our friends. We also keep our classroom neat and clean. This is the most important thing. We have one dustbin also. There we can collect whatever the leftover food. Sometimes in the afternoon we eat the food, lunchtime. Then whatever the leftover food is there, we should not throw it down. Or the pages, sometimes it will be loose. So those things also we have to take it and throw it in the dustbin. Dustbin is there in the corner. There we have to throw it. We should not scatter all the pieces of papers or the bits of papers on the ground. It doesn't look nice, isn't it? We have to keep neat and clean the classroom also. This is the one thing. We must throw rubbish in the dustbin. And one more thing. This is about the classroom, I told you. Now assembly. Assembly hall is the one where we begin our day before entering into the class with the prayer. You know, you must be knowing what prayer we do in the assembly. We do prayer and then we enter in the classroom. Assembly hall is the one where the functions are held and meetings also conducted over there. It's a big hall to meet all the staff. And the school staff room is also there where all the teachers will sit in the staff and do their work, table work in their free time. Sometimes they do take rest after a long period. So assembly hall, my school has a big assembly hall. The day begins with a prayer. We do our prayers in the assembly hall. All the important meetings and functions are held in the assembly hall. Now in the textbook I will show you page number 190 and 191. Here you can see this is the picture of a school, and here the classroom is there. Teacher, she's standing here and teaching. All the children are sitting and listening. What are the materials are there? Book, chalk piece, duster, table, and one textbook in her hand. You can see the calendar also, animals calendar. So these are the materials. This is the classroom and assembly hall. All the children are standing here to do the prayer. Can you see? It's nice to see, nice to learn many more things from this lesson. We have very big ground also to play. And in the next video, we'll learn many more things from this lesson. Thank you.